Hey, you awesome people. This is Anjali Anand. You are listening to Positive Vibes. Here I am to talk about self-compassion. Self-compassion is the purest form of self-love. Be real with yourself. If you don't show yourself love, you can't expect others to show you love. Either it's that simple. The problem lies in people's misunderstanding of what self-compassion is. Being self-compassionate doesn't mean that someone is selfish or arrogant. Self-compassion is about giving the same kindness to yourself that you so freely give to everyone else. When you get knocked down by life, believe that self-compassion is the fire that helps you to build and rise above your circumstances. When you decide to open yourself to self-compassion, you also open your heart. Self-compassion is an inside job, meaning that it's up to you to learn how to honor and be accepting of your imperfections. It's your faults and imperfections that make you beautiful. Once you have learned how to fully embrace self-compassion, you begin to see yourself and the world differently. Let me tell you some habits to cultivate more self-compassion. Firstly, self-talk. Would you talk to yourself like you would to your best friend? If the answer is no, then you are losing a great friend. It's time to shift your self-talk to one that is more empowering. Positive self-talk has been linked with health benefits, including greater life satisfaction and less stress, among other things. Forgive yourself. Mistakes happen. It's okay. Self-forgiveness requires that you be gentle with yourself. More importantly, that mistakes are simply a part of being human. It's how you learn, grow, and become more. There is no sense in punishing your future for the mistakes of your past. Forgive yourself, grow from it, and then let it go. One more thing is spending quality time. If you think you need someone else to have a good time, you are wrong. Spending quality time alone is one of the best ways to connect with and deepen your relationship with yourself. Adopt an attitude of gratitude. When nothing is going right in life, it's easy to get down yourself or to blame the world for your problems. However, what would happen if you saw everything as a gift, even the worst of things? Your mindset determines your reality. If you believe that the universe wants you, it will be much easier for you to find the resources that are needed in order to achieve your goals. Adopting an attitude of gratitude allows you to reshape your life in a way that makes you happier and more fulfilled. Not only will you feel more thankful for the people in your life, but also for yourself and how far you have come. Gratitude is the channel through which you are able to experience a greater degree of compassion, both for yourself, others, and the world at large. Surround yourself with positive people, you become who you surround yourself with, which is why You must choose your people wisely. Only spend time with people who see the best in you and who encourages you to live the life best. Stop comparing yourself to others. When you compare yourself to others, you allow the negative voice inside your head to say that you are not good enough. This only reinforces your negative self-talk that others are better than you, which is far from true. The more you compare yourself to others, the more you lose yourself. Don't get lost in comparing yourself to others. Focus on your talents and let them shine. Try something new. Routines are great, but when you are stuck in them, you are less likely to try new things. When was the last time that you stepped outside of your comfort zone and did something that was out of the ordinary for you? The more things you try, the more chances you have to create newfound passions. Say no more often. With endless to-do lists and responsibilities, finding time for self-care can feel like a luxury instead of a priority for many people. How often do you say no to things that you don't want to do? If it's quite often, awesome. Appreciating your need for your time is one of the greatest gifts you can give yourself. Agreeing to things just because you are afraid to say no is not supportive of your needs. Don't forget that you don't need to justify why you choose to say no. In the first place, your life, your choices. Finally, self-compassion is the greatest gift you can give to yourself. Throughout this wild ride that we call life, remember to be kind to yourself. You are doing the best that you can with what you have. You can't really ask anything more for yourself. A moment of self-compassion can change your entire day. A string of such moments can change the course of your life. Stay awesome, stay positive. Thank you.